Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily activate night light mode in Windows 10 or 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to activate night light mode in Windows 10 or 11 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to the settings, and here you can see the option of systems. Tap on that. And here you can see the option of display. Tap on that. And here in the section of brightness and color, you can see the option of night light. If you turn on the night light right now, the night light will be activated immediately. But you can schedule night light mode also by tapping on this icon. And here you can see the option of schedule night light. If you turn on the schedule night light, this type of two option will be open. And here if you choose sunset to sunrise, then the night light mode will last from 5:09 to 6:41. And if you tap on set hours, then you can set your own time. And here in the strength, you can adjust the strength of night light mode by dragging left and right. But I do recommend to set nightlight mode strength to 45 because it is more convenient to everyone. This is how you can activate your nightlight mode in Windows 10 or 11. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.